Emily, where's Minnie? Where's Minnie? You want to give her beso? Give her beso. Where's Mickey? Where's Pluto? Give him a beso. You gonna give him a hug? Oh, thank you. More stuff. Thank you. I'm trying to take video and pictures. Emily, you want to open another present? Okay, open that one. Open it. You need help? Say please. Okay, now you open it. Look at that face. Look at that face. What is it? Are those learning dots like you have in Mommy Me class? Look, there's a book. Look at the book. Look. That way you can do. Where's the dogs? Yes? Okay, get another one. Emily. You want to get another present? Baby, come on. Yeah, get another one. Okay. You need Mama to help you? Okay. I'll help you. Come on, look. Now you. She keeps looking at that laptop. Can you turn it off? Maybe she's gonna like it, huh? She likes it. What's that? Should we open the box? Okay. It's a bongo. Remember you play with it all the time when we go to Felicia's house? Look at her mouth. Look at her mouth. Thank you. Emily, you gonna play the drums? No? She's overwhelmed. She's like,